Christ my Savior, I need to go in my saving ship. One day, when Jesus paid my ransom, I need a place, this spirit deep within. While the world prepares to worship Satan, and the nation fade and fall, I will wait for Jesus' promise. I will rise on His throne. Christ the Lord, my God and Savior. Though my youth must pass away, and still some guide and helper. Though I fall in sin and gone astray, though the coming years bring and sorrow, He will keep me all the way. I shall live His holy city, shout and sing, sing what a day. Though the coming years bring me pain and sorrow, He will keep me all the way. I shall live in the holy city, shout and sing.